Inflation is silently stealing your money every single year, and most people don't realize it until it's too late. If you don't plan for inflation, you're almost guaranteed to struggle in retirement. If you leave your money sitting still, inflation guarantees it shrinks. But with the right strategy, your wealth can grow faster than inflation instead of falling behind it. I'm a college mathematics professor, and in this video, I'm going to show you one simple way to protect your wealth from inflation and why doing nothing is the most expensive mistake you can make. Inflation is the biggest destroyer of long-term wealth. Even when prices rise slowly, the damage over time is massive. Let's look at what inflation does to $100. Over the last 30 years, inflation has averaged about 2.55% per year, with extreme spikes like 8% in 2022. And here's what that means for your money. In 5 years, your $100 only buys what $88 buys today. In 10 years, it drops to $78. In 30 years, that same $100 is worth just $47. That's more than 50% of your purchasing power gone without you spending a single dollar. Most people ignore this. The wealthy don't. Stay with me. I will show you how to protect against it. Financially literate people see money in two ways: present value, what your money is worth today, and future value, what that money will be worth in the future. If you have $100 today, you should care what that $100 will buy in 10, 20, or 30 years. Because if you don't protect it, the future value of your money could be less than what you started with. Let me show you exactly how this plays out. Let's take a look at Sticky and his retirement plan.
I'm not even thinking about retirement. I'd rather enjoy life now. I've saved a little money, and I'll keep adding small amounts over my career. Those savings should take care of me when I'm older. You only live once.
Sounds familiar? Sticky plans to save about $7,200 by the time he retires. That's the present value of his plan.
But here's what Sticky didn't account for: inflation. In 5 years, his $1,200 is only worth $1,131. In 10 years, his $2,400 is worth just $2,132. In 30 years, his $7,200 only has the buying power of $5,110. Not only is Sticky's savings small, it's worth far less than he expects.
Inflation didn't just hurt Sticky, it quietly destroyed his future lifestyle. Now let's take a look at Jenny's retirement plan.
Inflation scares me. I've seen it hit 8%, and I know it destroys hard-earned money. I am sure I will need more money in retirement than I realize, so I make small behavioral changes in my daily routine to save money and invest it.
Jenny brings her lunch and coffee from home. Instead of spending that money every day, she invests the difference. The $25 a day savings equates to $500 a month invested in an index fund earning 8% interest compounded monthly. No extreme lifestyle, no get-rich-quick schemes, just consistency. Watch my video on index funds to learn more about them. Here's how Jenny's strategy plays out over time.
At 10 years, her projected $92,292 has a purchasing power of $79,452. At 20 years, her $297,962 is worth $214,910. At 30 years, her $756,292 has a purchasing power of $445,852.
Yes, inflation still exists, but Jenny outpaced it. She didn't eliminate inflation, she protected her wealth from it. Inflation will devalue everyone's money over time. The difference is whether you plan for it or ignore it. If you leave your money sitting still, inflation guarantees it shrinks. By investing in index funds, your wealth can grow faster than inflation instead of falling behind it. And that's the difference between struggling in retirement and achieving financial independence. If you want to learn how to protect and grow your wealth long term, subscribe to my channel. Remember, stop making others financially independent. Make yourself financially independent.